Welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the first principle of derivative to prove the sine x dx is equals to cos x, and also the cos x dx is equals to minus sine x. So I'm going to state the first principal derivative formula. That's f of x, f prime x is equals to f of x plus dx minus f of x divided by dx. And of course we are going to be proving that the sin x dx is equals to cos x. So however f of x, that's function of x, as sin x. So and then we are going to making use of cos dx. So we are going to limit it to 1, and sine dx will be limited to, that's tends to dx. So if f of x is equals to sine x, now the derivative of sine x using the first principle, I'm going to have f prime of x is equals to sine x plus delta x minus sine x divided by delta x. And of course we know our half angles. Then we have sine x plus x. Sine x plus x is equals to sine x cos x. We use y for this. So okay, so sine x cos y plus sine y cos x. So I'm going to apply it here. So I'll have f prime of x is equals to, now this will be sine x cos dx plus cos x sine dx minus sine x divided by dx. And of course this will give us f prime of x is equals to alright, so remember we said cos dx tends to 1 and sine dx tends to dx, so we are going to make use of it. So we have sine x cos dx tends to 1, so we are going to multiply here by 1 plus cos x sine dx tends to dx, so we are going to multiply cos x by dx minus sine x divided by dx. So we are going to have our f prime of x will be equals to sine x plus cos x. Now we multiply dx cosx 2. When you multiply cosx by dx, you have dx cosx minus sine x divided by dx. And then sine x minus sine x, it cancels. You have f prime of x is equals to dx cos x divided by dx. And of course, you can cancel this with this. That's dx cancel dx. You have your f prime of x equals to cos x. So that is for sine x. Now the second one, you have your f of x equals to cos x. Using the same first principle of derivative, you have f prime of x is equals to cos x plus data x minus cos x divided by data x. This will give you f prime of x is equals to, now still applying the half angles, you have cos x plus y is equals to, and this will give us cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So I'm going to use that here. I'm going to have cos x cos dx minus sin x sin dx minus cos x divided by dx. Alright, so I'm going to be having f prime of x is equals to, now remember we said our cos dx tends to 1 and then sin dx tends to 1, so I'm going to apply it here. I'm going to have cos x multiplied by 1 minus sin x multiplied by dx minus cos x. So this here divided by dx. So you have your f prime of x is equals to cos x multiplied by 1, you have cos x, and sin x multiplied by dx, you have minus dx sin x minus cos x divided by dx. So cos x minus cos x, you have, you cancel, you have 0, so you have f prime of x is equals to, you'll be left with minus dx sin x over dx divided by dx. So you have f prime of x is equals to dx. Go with this dx, you have minus sin x left.